I'm Tamiko, Soga no Tojiko's tummy.
And I'm Miyuki, Mononobe no Futo's tummy.
Since then Miyuki, Tojiko, Futo and our friends went to Tromsø, Norway for a visit. As Toyosatomimi no Miko got her tongue stuck in my mouth, and I heated it up and freed her. Also me and Miyuki have both cold and heat actions within thermal abilities.
That's right, it's so easy. Thankfully Saki Kurokoma's tongue didn't freeze in my mouth because she's a lucky girl, and she even is the hugest fan of bellies and navels. Too bad, Okina Matara and her tummy Kazunomiya weren't here.
Indeed, and now me, Futo, Tamiko, Miyuki and our friends are here again in Tromsø, Norway, and it's coldly icy and snowy. So, to all Russian citizens listening, please visit Svalbard as freedom of movement before entering Norway.
Yeah, the thing is why Russian citizens are banned from entering Norway for tourism from May 29, 2024. Visa-free access to the Kirkenes area for 15 days for holders of border traffic permit, and Sinjin residents including tourism.
Agreed. We hope you enjoy watching this. Please remember to leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell and comment down below if you're new.
Agreed. So stay safe, stay cool, sit tight and learn. Have a breezy day.